for beginner level, Unit 1. Adjective usage. 형용사 사용법. 시끄럽다. To be loud. 시끄럽다 is verb irregular verb. Here's how you conjugate. 시끄럽다. 시끄럽. 시끄러워. The item, place, or person that is loud is marked with a topic or subject particle. Example sentences. 이 사무실은 아주 시끄러워요. It's very noisy in this office. 아마 이 음악은 시끄러울 거예요. This music will probably get loud. 조용하다. To be quiet. 조용하다 is 하다 verb. Here's how you conjugate. 조용하다. 조용하. 조용해. The item, place, or person that is quiet is marked with a topic or subject particle. Example sentences. 여기가 아주 조용해요. It's very quiet here. 제 동생이 진짜 조용해요. My younger sibling is really quiet. 길다, to be long. 짧다, to be short. Here's how you conjugate. 길다, 길, 길어. 짧다, 짧아. The item that is long or short is marked with the subject particle, 이 or 가, or topic particle, 은 or 는. 짧다 ends with verb, but it is not verb irregular verb. 짧다 is not for height. Example sentences. 제 친구의 머리가 길어요. My friend's hair is long. 삶은 너무 짧아요. Life is too short.